Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast.
Hello, we are so excited to talk to you today.
My name is John.
And I am Olivia.
Today, we have a special topic.
Yes, we will talk about making 2026 your best year.
This is going to be a great episode.
I think so too. Are you ready, John?
Yes, I am ready. Let's begin.
So, John, 2026 just started.
Yes, it is a brand new year.
How do you feel about the new year?
I feel excited. A new year is a new beginning.
I feel the same way. It is like a fresh start.
Exactly. We can make this year amazing.
Yes, so how can we make 2026 our best year?
That is a great question. Let me think.
Take your time.
I think the first step is to have a positive mindset.
A positive mindset. What does that mean?
It means thinking positive thoughts.
Oh, like being optimistic?
Exactly. Believe that good things will happen.
That is important. Our thoughts are powerful.
Yes, if we think positive, we feel positive.
And if we feel positive, we do positive things.
Exactly. It all starts in our mind.
So, how can we have a positive mindset?
We can start each day with gratitude.
Gratitude. Being thankful?
Yes, think about things you are grateful for.
Like what?
Like your health, your family, your home.
Oh, yes. We have many things to be grateful for.
Exactly. When we focus on good things, we feel happy.
That is true. I will try that every morning.
Great. What else can help us have a best year?
I think we need to set goals.
Goals. Yes, that is very important.
Without goals, we don't know where to go.
Exactly. Goals give us direction.
What kind of goals should we set?
We should set realistic goals.
Realistic. What does that mean?
It means goals that we can actually achieve.
Oh, not too big, not too small?
Exactly. Goals should challenge us, but not be impossible.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. A realistic goal is to exercise 3 times a week.
That sounds good. Not too much.
Exactly. An unrealistic goal is to exercise every single day.
Why is that unrealistic?
Because life is busy. Sometimes we are tired or sick.
Oh, I understand. We need to be flexible.
Exactly. Set goals you can keep. What other types of goals should we have?
We should have different types of goals,
Different types? Like what?
like health goals, career goals, personal goals.
Oh, goals for different parts of our life.
Exactly. We need balance.
Can you tell me more about health goals?
Sure, health goals are about taking care of your body.
Like eating healthy food?
Yes, and exercising regularly.
What else?
Getting enough sleep, drinking water.
Those are all important for health.
Exactly. Health is the foundation of everything.
If we are not healthy, we cannot enjoy life.
That's right. So health goals are very important.
What about career goals?
Career goals are about your work.
Like getting a promotion?
Yes, or learning a new skill for your job.
Or maybe changing careers?
Exactly. Whatever helps you grow professionally.
I want to improve my presentation skills this year.
That is a great career goal.
Thank you. What is your career goal?
I want to learn a new software program.
That is useful. Which program?
A design program. It will help me at work.
That is excellent. What about personal goals?
Personal goals are about growing as a person.
Like what?
Like reading more books.
Oh, I love reading.
Or learning a new language.
Yes, or learning to play an instrument.
Exactly. Things that make you happy and fulfilled.
I want to learn to play the piano this year.
That is wonderful. Music is beautiful.
Yes, I always wanted to play piano.
This is your year to start.
That's the spirit. So we talked about goals.
Yes, set realistic goals for different areas of life.
Exactly. What else can make 2026 our best year?
I think we need to build good habits.
Good habits. Yes, that is so important.
Habits shape our life.
That's true. What we do every day matters.
Exactly. Small actions add up over time.
So what are some good habits to build?
A good habit is waking up early
Waking up early? Why is that good?
because you have more time in the day.
That's true. The morning is quiet and peaceful.
Yes, you can do important things in the morning,
Like what?
like exercise, reading, or planning your day.
Those are all great morning activities.
Yes, starting the day well sets a good tone.
I agree. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
That is early. Do you like it?
Yes, I feel more productive.
That is great. I wake up at 6:30.
That is good too. What do you do in the morning?
I drink water, then I exercise for 20 minutes.
That is a healthy habit.
Yes, it gives me energy for the day.
What other good habits should we build?
We should build a reading habit.
Reading. Yes, that is important.
Reading helps us learn and grow.
How much should we read?
Even 15 minutes a day is good.
15 minutes? That is not much.
Exactly, but over a year it adds up.
You can read many books in a year.
Yes, maybe 20 or 30 books.
That is amazing. What do you like to read?
I like to read books about personal development.
Personal development? What is that?
Books that help you become a better person.
Oh, like self-help books?
Exactly. They teach you new skills and ideas.
I like to read novels.
Novels are great too. They improve your imagination.
Yes, and they help me relax.
Reading is good for the mind and soul.
I agree. What other habits are important?
We should build a habit of eating healthy.
Yes, we are what we eat.
Exactly. Good food gives us good health.
What does eating healthy mean?
It means eating lots of vegetables and fruits.
What else?
Eating whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats.
And drinking lots of water?
Yes, water is very important.
How much water should we drink?
About 8 glasses a day.
8 glasses. That is a lot.
Yes, but our body needs it.
I will try to drink more water.
Good. Your body will thank you.
What should we avoid eating?
We should avoid too much sugar.
Sugar is bad for us?
Too much sugar is bad. A little bit is okay.
What else should we avoid?
Too much processed food.
Processed food? What is that?
Food that comes in packages with many ingredients.
Oh, like chips and cookies.
Exactly. Fresh food is better.
I understand. Cook at home more?
Yes, home cooking is healthier and cheaper.
That is true. Okay, so we talked about habits.
Yes, good habits like waking up early, reading, and eating healthy.
What else can make this our best year?
I think we need to take care of our relationships.
Relationships? You mean with family and friends?
Yes, the people in our life are very important.
I agree. Good relationships make us happy.
Exactly. So we should invest time in them.
Invest time? What does that mean?
It means spending quality time with people we love.
Oh, like having dinner together?
Yes, or going for a walk together.
Or just talking and listening?
Exactly. Sometimes people just need someone to listen.
That is true. Listening is important.
Yes, we should be good listeners.
How can we be good listeners?
Put away your phone when someone is talking.
Oh, give them your full attention?
Exactly. Look at them and really listen.
That shows you care.
Yes, people feel valued when you listen.
What else can we do for our relationships?
We can show appreciation.
Appreciation? How?
Say thank you. Tell people you appreciate them.
That is simple but powerful.
Yes, everyone likes to feel appreciated.
I will tell my family I appreciate them today.
That is wonderful. They will be happy.
What else makes a year great?
I think we need to step out of our comfort zone.
Comfort zone? What is that?
It is the place where we feel safe and comfortable.
Oh, doing things we always do?
Exactly. But growth happens outside the comfort zone.
So we should try new things?
Yes, new experiences help us grow.
Like what?
Like trying a new hobby.
Or traveling to a new place?
Exactly. Or meeting new people.
That sounds exciting, but also scary.
Yes, it can be scary, but that's okay.
Being scared is okay?
Yes, being scared means you're growing.
Oh, so we should embrace fear?
Not embrace it, but don't let it stop you.
I understand. feel the fear but do it anyway?
Exactly. That is courage.
What new thing do you want to try this year?
I want to try public speaking.
Public speaking. That is brave.
Yes, I'm nervous, but I want to improve. That is great. What about you, Olivia?
I want to try rock climbing.
Rock climbing. That is adventurous.
Yes, I'm a little scared of heights.
But you want to challenge yourself?
Exactly. I want to overcome my fear.
That is amazing. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, John. So, what else?
I think we need to practice self-care.
Self-care? What is that?
Taking care of yourself, your body and mind.
Oh, like getting enough rest?
Yes, rest is very important.
What else is self-care?
Doing things that make you happy.
Like hobbies?
Exactly. Make time for things you enjoy.
Sometimes we are too busy for hobbies.
I know, but we need to make time.
You are right. Hobbies reduce stress.
Exactly. They help us relax and recharge.
What is your hobby, John?
I like to garden.
Gardening. That is peaceful.
Yes, I find it very relaxing.
What do you grow?
I grow vegetables and flowers.
That is wonderful. Fresh vegetables are healthy.
Yes, and gardening connects me with nature.
That is beautiful. My hobby is painting.
Painting, that is creative.
Yes, I paint on weekends.
What do you paint?
I paint landscapes, mountains, and rivers.
That sounds beautiful.
Thank you. It makes me happy.
That is what hobbies should do.
Exactly. Okay, let's summarize.
Good idea. What did we talk about today?
We talked about making 2026 our best year.
Yes, first we talked about having a positive mindset.
Start each day with gratitude.
Then we talked about setting goals.
Set realistic goals for health, career, and personal growth.
We talked about building good habits.
Like waking up early, reading, and eating healthy.
We talked about taking care of relationships.
Spend quality time with family and friends.
We talked about stepping out of our comfort zone.
Try new things and embrace growth.
And we talked about self-care.
Rest and make time for hobbies.
These are all important things.
Yes, if we do these things, 2026 will be amazing.
I agree. It will be our best year yet.
So, dear listeners, what will you do to make this your best year?
Think about it. Make a plan.
Write down your goals.
Start building good habits today.
Take care of yourself and others.
Try new things. Be brave.
And remember, small steps lead to big changes.
You don't have to do everything at once.
Exactly. Start with one thing.
Then add more as you go.
Progress, not perfection.
That is a great motto for 2026.
Yes, progress, not perfection.
We believe in you.
You can make this your best year.
Thank you for listening to our podcast today.
We hope you feel inspired.
Please share this episode with your friends.
Yes, help them make 2026 their best year too.
And don't forget to practice your English every day.
Even a little practice makes a difference.
We will see you in the next episode.
Until then, stay positive and keep growing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.